Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Roblox Mobile. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is active. Then, grab your PS4 controller and simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for approximately 3 seconds. The light bar on your controller will begin flashing rapidly, indicating it is in pairing mode. On your phone, look for wireless controller in the Bluetooth device list and tap it to establish the connection. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your PS4 controller is successfully paired with your mobile device, the next step is to open the Roblox application. After launching the app, select and join any game that you know offers controller support. Many popular experiences are compatible. Inside the game, you should see a small controller icon, typically located in the top left corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will enable the Gamepad mode, allowing your PS4 controller to interact with the game's controls seamlessly. It's important to remember that not every single Roblox game supports controller input on mobile. Game developers decide whether to implement this feature. To ensure a smooth experience, always look for the Gamepad icon within the game's interface. Its presence indicates compatibility. Many widely played games, such as Adopt Me, Brookhaven, and various simulator titles, are well optimized for controllers, offering an enhanced gameplay experience with your PS4 device. If your PS4 controller connects but isn't working as expected in Roblox, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try completely closing and then reopening the Roblox application. Next, disconnect your controller from your mobile device's Bluetooth settings and then reconnect it. Also, make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version available. These actions resolve most common issues, getting you back to gaming with your controller in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.